Welcome back to your YouTube channel. Right now I want to show you how to insert a ramp in your design using Archicad. So whatsoever version of Archicad you're going to use, be it 25, 26, 16, 12, all versions, just follow the same steps and it's going to be very short and powerful. So right now we have this slot over here and we want a car to be parked here, or rather want this space right here, which is like the entrance of this building. You can see the building has been designed and looking beautiful. I want to use a ramp entrance here. And also if you look at the ground floor plan, you can see that it was written here to be a car park. So a car is meant to just park here, like a car slot. So a car slot, you can just park here. Maybe the land is not really big, or just for one reason or the other, they just want a car to just be able to park here. So how to make this place not to be a staircase, because at normal circumstances you just put a staircase of around 2 or 3 risers, but now we want a ramp. So to place a ramp is just as easy as ABC. So we're going to go to ground floor plan. Once you go to your ground floor plan, you click on mesh. Once you click on mesh, or you double click on mesh, you will now select the height of your DPC. So my DPC is 600. So yours can be 300, yours can be above 6, yours can be any value depending on your design. You can see that height from my normal ground level to my building floor level is this 600. So I'll leave that 600, and I'll come here to just make an effect on the model. You all know about model, just to change material. So I just want this is the top material, I'll leave it as LS8. This is the side material, so I can change this to brick brown to be the same color or material with my DPC. This is the underneath material, I can leave it as LS8 also. So I'll click OK. I can just come here and spread it. Ramp used to have a very appreciable length so that it will slope perfectly. The more the length, the more it slopes. And though our height is not much, it's just 600, so we don't need much length. So this height is okay. You can actually make yours to be more defined. So you can see that my length here is around 2.6. So I can also open my 3D to see what I've done. So this is what I have done. I have placed a mesh. So why am I using a mesh? You can see that the mesh is just almost the same thing as my DPC. No, what mesh is, that mesh is more flexible. The mesh tool is more flexible, which means you can convert this now to a ramp. So I will just unclick on orbit so that I'm able to edit this thing in 3D. I can use my shift key to highlight this, or I'll click on arrow and highlight this. After highlighting this, I'll come to this black button right here, because I just need these two at this front to just come down, to just slope down. So I'll come to this black bullet right here, pick on it, and make sure that my tool is not on stretch. Stretch means it to go up. I'll make sure that it's not on curve, but is on elevate mesh point. I'll leave that elevate mesh point, and it will just, and I'll just drag it down to the bullet, to the other black bullet down there, and I'll do the same thing right here, drag it to the next bullet down there, and that is all. Right now I have placed my ramp successfully. So you can see the ramp has been successfully designed. I can just come to my ground floor plan and quickly place a car. Come to object, just click on car, pick a nice car around here and place it right here. Rotate it to what I want. So you can see a car has been placed. Wow, very, very nice. I hope you learned something. Kindly like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also click on notification icon to get notified when we drop amazing videos from time to time. See you.